Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So all the dollar pairs made a big push last night because of an announcement that Trump made, and for me, because I live in Europe, it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, so definitely wasn't a trade I participated in. But this really doesn't look like a complete pullback to me. I mean, it looks like something that potentially could go back up. But the problem is that the trend is down. There's 100% no argument that the trend is down based on structure. And with this engulfing move to the downside that we had, now the trend is also back down based on market flow. So we should technically be looking for shorts unless we get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level. That's where you go down to someplace between the 1 to 4 hour time frame and you put your Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here, which this move up definitely does look more impulsive, like it could be a wave A or a wave 1. This is more of a three-wave pullback look to me, like it could be a wave B or a wave 2. So if this is true that this is a B or a 2, then it potentially will break up at either the 61 or the 78%, break structure, and then go up for either a C, which would look like this, or possibly a wave 3, and a wave 3 would potentially just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and eventually go up and break the daily time frame structure. The problem with this analysis is that the daily is down based on market flow and structure. This is your structure on the 1 hour. It could make a lower high, go down to the 78%, go up, make a lower high, go down again. So we are definitely looking for shorts unless we get the break to the upside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.